Have you ever found yourself with a basket or a countertop full of eggs and you're not sure which ones are the oldest, therefore the ones that you want to use first? Well, here's a quick and easy way to make sure that you're always using the oldest ones first. In general, my hens lay pretty clean eggs, but when needed, I use an egg brush to clean them off. And then I pull out my handy-dandy date stamp. I should point out that it's important not to just use any ink. The ink used for stamping the eggs must be food safe, since they can be permeable. This is also true if you are refeeding the shells to your chickens. There are links in the description for the brush and the stamp. Give it a try, or let me know in the comments if you have a different method of keeping your eggs organized.